Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add debit card to Fanduel. So it is super easy and simple to add your debit card to Fanduel. First, what you have to do here is that you just have to simply open up your mobile app of Fanduel that you have in your mobile phone. And then you have to simply click onto your amount that is on the right bottom of the page. Once you just simply click onto that one, you will get to this next page where you can click onto this deposit option, or you can also click onto this withdraw option. And after that you will get to this page. Now you have to click onto this withdraw option, and after that it will ask you to add your debit card, and in your debit card you can just simply add all of the details that is written on the card, and that's how your card will be added to FanDuel. And later on, if you would like to deposit or withdraw money, you can also do it. So that's how you can add debit card to FanDuel. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.